Good afternoon, examiners, supervisor, and everyone present. We are from the System Study Program, Institute Technology Dell. Today, we are going to present our proposal title, Analyzing the Role of Generative Artificial Intelligence, or GenAI, in supporting customer discovery activities in early stage software startup. Let me introduce our team members. I am Angelina Nadia, together with Prisnia Kalistasiaan and Ferry Ando Panjaitan. Our supervisor are Mr. Samuel Indra Gunawan Situmayang, um, and Mr. Mario, and our examiners, Miss Susi, Eva Maria Purba, and Mr. Humasak Tommy Argo Simanjuntak. Now we will start our presentation.
The scope of research: one, support startup in Indonesia; two, customer discovery activities and stage; three, the technology study is generative AI or large language model; 4. Literature review and review with software startup. Method. We use mixed method, qualitative and quantitative. Literature review to identify theories and previous studies. Survey the collect data from real tech software startup. Interview for human AI collaboration experience. Data analysis using thematic and descriptive statistical analysis based on human AI collaboration and adaptation framework or HACCP.
Now, we will explain the theoretical foundation of our research. This section describes the main theories that support our study, starting with the customer development framework, customer discovery, early stage software startup, Gen AI, and HACCP. Um, Customer development framework helps a startup identify, validate, and build customer needs before scaling. And consists of four stage is customer discovery, customer validation, customer creation, and company building. Number two, theoretical foundation is customer discovery. The first and most critical phase of the customer development process aims to find problem solution fit by validating customer problem and testing early solution involves activities such as interview, survey, and prototype testing. Number three is early stage software startup. Small hike uncertainly organization focus on finding on a viable business model, often face resource and knowledge limitation requiring efficient learning and experimentation. Number four, theoretical foundation is generative artificial intelligence, a type of AI that creates new content, text, image, ideas using large language models or LLMs, such as GPT-4, supports startup in idea generation, customer analysis, and decision making during innovation process. Number five is human AI collaboration and adoption framework or HACCP. Explain how human and AI interact, collaborate, and adoption in technology adoption, combines technology acceptance model term, diffusion of innovation or DOE, and social cognitive theory or SCT, position AI as a collaborator, assistant, and co-creator with humans.
Now we no problem identifying. The initial phase where the research topic and core problem are clearly defined. Two, literature review. This take impulse gathering and evaluating relevant information for existing report. Output the stage is list of activities to solve research question number one. Executing questionnaire. Executing questionnaire had the base of design the research instrument, the questionnaire based on the finding from the literature review. Develop interview protocol. Develop interview to protocol. The stake of design a guide or script for conducting in-depth interview likely to gain deeper qualitative understanding following the question result. Output the stake is interview protocol. Interview the qualitative data collection phase where interview are conducted based develop to develop protocol. Finding integrate interview output for state interview is question to and interview full and conclusion. Conclusion.
Next, this is now let me explain our Let me explain our research schedule. The research is planned to be conducted from September 25 until May 2026. It consists of eight main activities that align with our research stage. In September, we start with identifying problem, stroke literature review, and initial observation. That we continue with literature review talk October and November to build a strong theoretical basis. Mm, Next, in December to February, we conduct the survey and interview with startup founders to collect both quantitative and qualitative data. After that, in March and April, we move to the execution or experiment stage in uh, March and April. Uh, in May, we complete the evaluation, discussion, and conclusion. The phase to summarize the findings and give conclusion for future research. In now, our presentation is finished, and uh, so we believe that this topic is highly relevant, as many startups struggle to understand their customer effectively due to limited time, resource, and experience. By using the HACCP or Human AI Collaboration and Adoption Framework, our study aimed to explore the collaboration between startup founders and Gen AI, not only as a tool for automation, but as a creative and analytical partner that can assign in identifying customer problems, validating idea, and generating valuable insight. Through this research, we hope to contribute to better understanding of how human and AI collaboration can transform the early stage of innovation and make the customer discovery process more efficient, structure, and evidence based. The expect outcome is to help software startup make smarter decisions, reduce risks, and accelerate their path toward achieving product market fit. So this research bridges the gap between human intuition and AI driven analysis in the startup ecosystem, showing that generative AI can be more than just a tool, but a true collaborator in innovation. Uh, thank you very much for attention. We are upon uh, suggestion from the examiner and supervisor. Thank you.